Hello friends, my name is Mila and today we are diving into the world of elegance and style that will never go out of style. Yes, you guessed it, we are talking about black dresses. Why are black dresses back in the spotlight? Let's find out!
This black dress has become my favorite item in my closet. It is made of a soft, stretchy material which pleasantly envelops the body, creating the effect of a light, tight fit. The style of the dress is very expressive and stylish. It has a corset top with a deep neckline, emphasizing the line of the chest. The sleeves are made in the form of voluminous puffs, which gives the image a romantic and playful look. They are slightly gathered at the bottom, creating an interesting contrast with the tight skirt. The bottom has a short length, which adds a flirty touch to the dress. The gathering on the sides and front creates beautiful lines, visually lengthening the legs. The dress sits perfectly on the figure, emphasizing its advantages, and thanks to the high elastane content, it is comfortable and allows you to move freely. Although the color black seems classic, thanks to the texture of the material and interesting details, it looks very modern and stylish. This dress is suitable for both an evening out and an impromptu party with friends. What do you think of these sleeves? Next, I wore probably my favorite black dress. Chemise has become a real find in my closet. The black color gives it a classic and elegant look that will never go out of fashion. The dress is made of light, semi-transparent material, which perfectly wraps around the body, creating a feeling of lightness and freedom. Its cut is quite bold. The top with a deep neckline and corset construction adds confidence and also emphasizes the bust line. Thin straps provide support, and their minimalistic design does not distract attention from the dress itself. The skirt has a short cut and light gathers on the sides, which creates the effect of volume and relief. The material has elasticity, making me feel comfortable and able to move freely. I love how this dress can be combined with different accessories. For example, heeled shoes for an evening out, or with sneakers for a more casual look. And do you like the neckline? When I put on my last black dress for the day, I feel irresistible. Its deep black color seems to reflect all the mystery that attracts the eyes. The dress is made of soft corduroy material, which gently hugs the skin and gives the image a special sensuality. The style of this dress is simply magical. Thin straps slip over the shoulders, creating an elegant silhouette. The deep neckline gives me confidence, and at the same time it looks so playful. The skirt? It has a seductive slit that reveals part of my leg with every step, causing a slight thrill. The fit of the dress is just perfect. It emphasizes all the main lines of the figure, putting emphasis on the waist and hips. I love the way it moves with me, as if in a dance. This dress is my little weapon of seduction. Every time I put it on, I am ready for a new adventure. It's so nice to leave a trail of admiring glances behind me.
Well, dear viewers, now you are all set. We've discussed how you can show your personality and style by choosing the perfect black dress for any occasion.